Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and clean up a little bit. We're gonna clean up and put up some groceries. So let's see if I know how to do this. I really don't know how to edit, but I just wanted to do something a little different. So right here, I'm just cleaning out the sink. Of course, you have to clean out the sink before you wash the dishes, of course. So we're cleaning out the sink. We're about to wash the dishes, put the groceries up, wipe the counters down. I tried to edit this in order, but of course, I don't know how to edit, so I tried my best doing everything that I can. I don't know what I'm doing right here in the kitchen. I was probably putting a little something up. I don't know. Looks like I was moving stuff around. I have no idea what I was doing here, but let's go ahead and try and wash these dishes. I always put bleach in my water. I don't know about you, but to me, your dish is not clean if you don't have a little drop of bleach. So I always keep my silverware in that yellow tray. It's like a fruit basket, but I don't like my silverware drawer. Sometimes I do, like if somebody come over. Nobody comes over my house, really. So now I'm cleaning out the other sink and I'm starting to clean the dishes. That's my favorite mug right there. And I'm just washing everything out. I like to use a sponge and a scrubber. I don't like to use a dish rag because they start to stink after a while. I like to use a sponge and a scrubber. I always change my sponge and scrubbers out probably like once every 2 weeks. I buy like a value pack from Amazon, and then when I buy my value pack, that allows me to, you know, just keep switching them out. I don't like to, I do the same thing with my washcloths and my towels. My dry towels, I switch them like every 3 days, and my washcloth, I have 2 of them, one for the face and one for the body. Switch it out about once a week. And we're just washing the dishes here. Just keep going, keep going. I tried to speed up this video, and I think I did a good job because I don't know how to edit, right? So now I'm just rinsing the dishes off, rinsing off my software in my little fruit basket there. I call it my little silverware basket. And I'm just rinsing the dishes off. I was trying to edit to let y'all see me put them on the dish rack, but in another scene or another clip, y'all are gonna see me put it in the dish rack. So I guess I got it right at that time. But y'all know I don't know how to edit. So we just gonna keep going and just act like y'all see me put them in the dish rack, okay? But I was really putting them in the dish rack. And I'm just wiping my hands off. I have on house clothes. I really don't care. So this is the scene where y'all see the dish rack. See? Girl, I don't know how to edit, but I'm trying my best. Yes, that is a butter bowl. I like to keep butter bowls because they're good just to keep and put food up. I guess I was just cleaning that out. That was some grits that I had made. Prior to that weekend, I had made some shrimp and grits, and it actually turned out pretty good. I think I was on the phone right here with my dad, or I was talking to somebody, and I was just trying to ask them to hold on because I was trying to do the video, but this person had something important they needed to tell me. Oh yeah, that was my friend. That wasn't my dad. I think I talked to my dad either before or after this video. Y'all see my little fancy dish rack? I got that off of Amazon. I called myself being fancy getting that dish rack. I really don't like it, but I like it for the look. What do y'all call it? The aesthetic. And you see that bowl shouldn't have went up there. Exactly. That's exactly why it fell. The bowl should have been at the bottom. As you see, that was food that I had in there. I always have my food at the bottom. Of course, everybody, when you clean the dishes. And I'll just pick it up with my hand, put it in my famous butter bowl. I love a butter bowl for Tupperware. Of course, I have other Tupperware as well with lids, but I love a butter bowl. A butter bowl is very famous in my house for Tupperware. So here, I'm trying to get y'all to see what I'm doing. I keep wiping my hands on my shirts, but that's okay because I always do that with my house clothes and my house dresses. So now, what am I going to do? Oh, I think I'm going to wipe the counters down and stove down and stuff. I hope I got a good angle for y'all to see. I like to use those Lysol disinfectant wipes, and I also like to use paper towels. I use Viva paper towels when I clean because it's like a cloth and they really, really get everything. So what am I doing now? I guess I'm just mediocre wiping everything down. I keep looking at that camera to make sure that y'all can see me because I don't know how to edit. Oh, so right now, okay, so we're about to put up some meat. Yep, pepper steak, cube steak. What else do I have? That's for stew. That's the vegetables for stew. I'll probably make chicken stew or something. Some scrimps, some shrimp. And then what's that? Some grilled chicken breast. I love chicken. I should be tired of eating chicken, but I don't know why I'm still eating it. I keep looking at the camera. Okay, corn, vegetables. Why do I keep looking at the camera? Because I know I don't know how to edit, and I can't get the angles right. So I'm just taking out everything here. Chicken wings. You know y'all love chicken. I love chicken too. I done looked at that camera again. A little bit of seasoning because I needed to re-up on my seasoning. Okay, and that's a little ground chuck because I made spaghetti later on that night. I hadn't had spaghetti in a while. Those noodles that y'all saw, those were wheat noodles. I was so proud of myself. Tuna fish. That's the caramel me crazy Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I love it. That's my own little grocery bag. I'm not supposed to have bread, but I got the skinny bread. I got me some protein bars, some lemon protein bars. I am going to try those and see how they taste. You see the Parmesan cheese for my spaghetti. Some lemonade and those. I love those. I shouldn't even have them. I got some baked chips. Yep. Lemonade. I love lemonade. Pasta sauce. I called myself making my own pasta sauce. I didn't like it when I did it with the whipped cream, so I went back to the jar. Okay, so now we are putting everything up. I put that corn in the fridge because I made spaghetti later on that night. And yes, Coca-Cola. I am addicted to Coca-Cola. And I have finally started getting the zero sugar. In my opinion, it tastes the same. It actually tastes better. I always put a lot of ice so I can have some fizzle and that kickback. And I'm just putting up the meat. I really don't have a lot of room in my freezer. I usually take out the meat from those packages and put them in Ziploc bags, but I did that off camera, of course, because I didn't want this to be a long video. So we just putting things up and we're almost done. I got the Lazy Girl vegetables. Of course, I got some fresh vegetables also, but I got those Lazy Girl vegetables because I sure am going to use them. And now we're putting up my favorite Coke Zero. It's supposed to be zero sugar. So that's it. I don't know how to edit. I'll get better.